How to use curbside pickup in McDonald's app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use curbside pickup in McDonald's app. So let's get started. First of all, simply open McDonald's application and simply sign up. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So what you're going to do is click on order here at the bottom, and then you'll be prompted to this page that will ask you to select a restaurant to continue. So click on select restaurant, and then you'll be able to see all of the restaurants over here, the main branches over here. So what you're going to do is simply select a branch, and then you can head over, click on drive through, either McCafe or open 24 hours. So once you click on drive through, you'll be prompted to select the menu. So simply select the items that you wish to buy, and then you'll be redirected to a checkout page. So similarly, you can pay using your Apple Pay or any other payment method that you have added. And once you have paid that, you'll be given a code. So when you go to the McDonald's branch, you can simply show that code to any employee, or if you are using the drive-through, you can show it to any employee, and then that employee will double check that with their system, and then they're going to give you the order. So that is basically how you can use curbside pickup in McDonald's app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.